Hello, welcome to Osaka Marine Industrial. Experience unmatched quality and performance with every use. Do you want to find piston for your Ski-Doo snowmobile? Today we introduce to you one of Piston Kit for Ski-Doo snowmobile. OEM part number is 09-746. Piston kit with bore is 78mm and fits on Olympic 335 with bogies 1970 to 1972, Olympic 335 with slides 1972, Olympic 335E with bogies 1970 to 1972. To check more fitment you can visit our web, https://www.osakamarine.com and put OEM part No into search. Or you can contact us, Osaka Marine Industrial, CO, Ltd. Mail, seller@osakamarine.com. Web, www.osakamarine.com. WhatsApp, +886 984 252 201. Thank you.